It is perfect time to throw some fertilizer out, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I don't know where it looks like that rain is gonna start coming. Goodness gracious, what do you guys use to fertilize your yard? Because I need to know, guys. So let's go ahead and start fertilizing this grass, guys. I hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. I am outside and it's such beautiful weather. It's not too cold, not too hot. We have a nice little breeze coming through, and I actually checked on the weather report, so we're gonna have some rain later on. So it is perfect time to throw some fertilizer out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to fertilize my grass, because look at it, it looks so beautiful already, right? I haven't watered it. All I did was throw some weed and feed earlier. That's why you guys see it dandelion free. But some fertilizer, what I use to fertilize my yard and how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started, because such a beautiful day, guys. Let's not desperdiciarlo. So let's go. Guys, we have to hurry this up because I don't know where it looks like that rain is gonna start coming. Goodness gracious, the weather is changing so dramatically fast. We're not supposed to get rain till 7, but it's already starting to get windy. So I should have put my hair up, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. I got that, don't mind the train, guys. I got this bad boy at Amazon for under $100, which is so nice, so convenient to use. I love it. It has different settings that you can use, which is so freaking awesome and so convenient, so that you don't use too much, you know what I mean? You don't want to overdo it. I mean, I guess if you have the money to overdo it, do it, but if not, just an equal spreading all throughout. I put it in the lowest setting so that I can get more, because I've been asked, like, it looks like you have a big yard, how much property do you have? I have 21,500 square feet, not including my house, which my house is like 1,800 and some square feet. So not including that, it is a very, very big property. So I really try to spread my dollar as much as I can. So the fertilizer that I am using, guys, is this one. I have the Vigoro lawn fertilizer, supposed to green it in 72 hours. This one's good for 15,000 square feet. I have more than that, but I will only be doing the back with it, and then I'll get another one to do the front in any spot I miss. This is the 2904. So let me know, guys, in the comments down below, what do you guys use to fertilize your yard? Because I need to know, guys. Let me know your guys' secrets. I want my yard super green, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's actually really nice this year. I'm not sure if because it's been raining or it's been snowing, because I'm telling you guys, I haven't watered it. All I did was throw that weed and feed earlier on this year, and I mean, it's looking great. It's looking really great. I'm just really excited for this year, but I'm trying to do everything possible to get this yard to perfection. So let's go ahead and start fertilizing this grass, guys, so that it can be perfect beyond perfect, like perfect. All right, guys, let's get started. I know you're probably supposed to use a knife for this, guys, but all I did was rip it with my fingers right here. This is how it looks like. A lot of people don't know what fertilizer is, like what the bubbles. So let's go ahead and get started fertilizing this yard before this crazy weather starts acting differently. I swear, sometimes we get like sun, like right now there is sun in my face because I cannot really open my eyes. I feel like they're watering, but then it's like windy and then it's getting chilly. It's like, I don't know what's up with this April weather that's supposed to be freaking gorgeous, you know what I mean? But it's all right because May is coming and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. I just know the summer is gonna be a long summer because they're ruining my spring. They're ruining my spring. So this summer needs to be very, very long, especially for all my pepper plants and all the plants that I have. Guys, I'm getting distracted. Let's go back and let's start fertilizing, guys. I start from one side of my yard all the way to the other side, and then I carry on to the back part because it turns around. It's almost like an L shape back here. So that's how I'm gonna be starting it. So you guys can see, this is where I'm starting, going that way, coming back, boom, 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 almost like that, like that. That's how I'll be doing it. Yep. So let's go ahead and get started. And all you do, guys, you just hold it right here and you just start, and it just starts going. Now you can do more, you can do less, that's up to you. And it's going a little funny right now, guys, because I'm holding the camera at the same time. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how it's supposed to be going. There's really nothing to it, guys. I mean, if you cut your own yard, I don't see why you don't fertilize your own yard, you know? You're only gonna be saving yourself time with the watering, and it's gonna look so much greener. And oh my goodness, I need to work on my lines a little better when I cut the grass, because I've been seeing some yards and their lines look like so perfect, like almost like checkered, you know? And I've been doing it like straight back and forth, but now I want to do like some checkered lines on my grass. Oh, that would look so freaking awesome. I know, experimenting with your yard, ¿verdad? Like, so much fun to be doing yard work. All right, guys, let me keep on going, because I'm currently in the first line. Todavía me queda like, I want to say at least 30 minutes of this, so let's keep going. I just wanted to show you guys how much of a difference it would be if you guys set it up, which I don't recommend, but it is a very, very big difference when you start pushing it. Do you guys see that? Like, whoa, that is a lot. And I feel like it gets miswasted like that. So that's why I have it on a 2.5, and it spreads way less. Okay, guys, I am not even halfway done. Pero si se cansa uno, si se cansa uno. It's getting hot even though there is wind outside. What happened, guys? The camera fell. Goodness gracious. That wind is coming back really, really strong. But it's alright, guys. I'm almost done. I only need like very, very little. So we're doing good, guys. My whole backyard, guys. Now I'm out to get another bag because I have very little left. That's how much I have left, guys. Oh my goodness, it went by quick, guys. So I'm gonna go get another bag real quick so I can finish all of this fertilizing today, and then my grass can be like lusciously green within a couple days. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I filled it up and I am in the front yard. Now I'm gonna do this real quick and I am done, guys. I am done fertilizing my whole yard. It's actually pretty easy, time consuming, but it's well worth it. So let's get to it. All done, guys. All right, guys, I am all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing, beyond amazing. Have a great day. Bye.